Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me today. Guess what? Today we're speaking about Fabio Dixon. He wants to play for Jamaica. He's willing to play for Jamaica. So Reggae Boys, we have also a new addition. But let me get into is he good enough to play for Jamaica? Yes, he does want to play for Jamaica, but is he really good enough to play for Jamaica? Guys, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're new, or subscribe if you like the content or you want more regular content like this. Now, where does this news come from? This news first came about from Simon Preston from the Reggae Boy commentary, and he stated that Fabio Dixon wants to come and play for Jamaica, and he's also ready to play for Jamaica as well. Now let me get some facts about the player. He was born in Zurich, Switzerland on the 21st of June 1992. His height is 1.83 meter. Pretty much that's a very good decent height for a right back. He's also of dual citizenship of Switzerland and Jamaica, as you all know. Position is a defender, right back, but also predominantly has been playing this season at the right centre back position. He has been deployed in a 3-4-3 formation, but he was the one who's been deployed at the right central defensive area. Now, his current club that he plays for is FC Chaser. He joined the club in July 1st, 2019, and his current contract expires June 30th, 2021. Now, his sponsorship is Nike. As we already said, he played in 17 games, no assists. He's a defender, so we definitely have to go into his defensive stat. Now he also played in the Swiss Cup, made one appearance in the Swiss Cup. So in his national career, he has made few appearances for the under 19, also under 18 team. One appearance from the under 18 in 2016, October 6, 2016. Also his debut appearance for the under 19 team in October 3, 2017, made in 3 appearances. Now let me get into the player's detail in accordance to how he's been playing through this season. As I said, he made 17 appearances, 14 starts, minutes played per game, 73 minutes played per game. He has no goal contribution. As you all know, he's a defender, so that is how we have to attest him by. Received 4 yellow cards, 1 yellow to red card, and also 1 red card. Now, what makes him stand out? Why would we believe that Fabio Dixon would be ready? Let us get into the statistics and how his team is performing. A lot of the time we know that team performance doesn't necessarily tell the quality of a player, but it also can tell the mental capacity and where the player is at as well. So we can't write that off. Let me get into how the team is performing so far this season. Now, as I said before, they are the second tier division in the Swiss League, and they are at the bottom of the table, relishing on 10 points in the relegation zone, conceding 45 goals in just 25 games. Now, are you comfortable with putting in a young defender, 21 years of age, who have conceded 45 goals throughout the season? It is not feasible to associate the team performance with individual performance, but many of the times the team performance can identify individual performances as well. Now, let's compare him to a player that we have already been linked to, Max Arians. Max Arians has been really playing good, and he's also playing at a higher level. So, is it feasible for us to go for Fabio Dixon? He has the quality, but definitely, would he really improve us, or would he be just another number added on to the wish list? So, let me tell me what you think, guys. Go and research him for yourself. Hopefully you guys understand what is happening. We are going for players from all different continents of this earth, and we want to solidify our Reggae Boys team and ensure that we have a proper team going into this World Cup qualifiers. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. This has been Military Guna TV, and guess what? I am out.